What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back. I hope y'all are having an amazing evening. I'm trying something new and interesting because that's what I like to do. Check it out. I got my gimbal here and I'm filming this YouTube video using my DJI Mavic Air 2, which I think is a super cool idea. I'm just using the screen record function, and it just goes to show that you can do any type of weird shit you want to do when you have your own YouTube channel. So we've got the Suron X here. You guys can check out my videos with that. And now I've got the Mavic Air 2, which has been a really popular addition to the channel. And it's really cool because we can actually use our gimbal and we could zoom in on this badass mustache. See that? That's 2 times zoom, 3 times zoom, and then back to regular. Actually, it was 3 and 4 times zoom. Hope you guys are doing amazing. I have had a few drones in the past. I've had the Autel Evo. I've had the DJI Mavic 2. I've had the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, I believe. I've had the DJI Spark. And for a very short period of time, I had the DJI Mavic Mini, I believe it's called. And I actually also had the DJI Mavic Air. So I've had a lot of drones. I've returned a lot of drones to Best Buy. I highly advise you to go through Best Buy because their return policy is really awesome. You take care of the stuff. Always save your boxes. Here's my box. See? Save your box. Keep it nice and fresh. And you can pretty much return this thing. If you have enough gusto, you can get this thing returned. But I don't plan on returning this one. I really don't. I love it. Number one thing I like on this Mavic Air 2, which I'm filming with right now, is this controller is hands down. Let's zoom in on it. This controller is hands down amazing compared to the controller for the old DJI drones. It is just awesome. Like, okay, so you have your modes right here, okay? It's actually a hard button, hard switch, whatever you want to call it. It's a very nice feel. You got tripod, normal, and sport, okay? You've got your return to home feature right there. You hold it down, it returns to home. You got your power button. You got 4 bright LEDs. The thing has some weight to it. The best part is the old one had these stupid little antennas that stuck out the top, and you were always trying to figure out which way to position them and stuff. In this one, the antenna is actually this piece. Right there's the antenna, and it has awesome range. If you look back at my videos there, you will see that I got 4.2 miles with this thing. And then, oh crap, I started to record. And then when you remove this, it's so easy. You just store the little cord in the controller right there, and your phone just slips right in. I did have to modify. It goes like this, putting it in. Super nice. You just pull that up and then slide it in. I did have to modify the little spot right here so that the cord would fit in there, but it's just beautiful. And then you screw off the thumb dials and you just store them in the bottom. But I love it. It's been an amazing instrument here so far, and it's just been a blast using this thing. I hope you guys check out my videos. I just thought this would be a cool idea. So basically we're doing the view, the basically FPV, first person view that you would see if you were actually flying this thing with the controller, okay? We're using it to record this video right now, and then we're just screen recording. So if you guys ever want to do anything cool filming, you don't necessarily have to be recording, because these things transmit so well. They transmit, I believe, 1080p high definition. Let's see right here. So you guys will be able to see what I'm seeing right now. They transmit HD. There we go. I was in smooth actually, but I think the HD is like 1080p. So there, now we're in HD mode. I was actually in smooth, but that's pretty damn good. Look at that. Like, that's pretty good video quality, and that's just directly to my electronic device. So, super cool. I don't know if you guys have any questions about the settings or anything, let me know, but I can go through them real quick with you. So in safety, I usually do brake, which is it hovers. Or I'm sorry, I do bypass. Why is it not letting me click it? It's not letting me. Because I wasn't in. Oh, okay. There we go. So you gotta be in normal mode when you change it. Aircraft bypasses detecting obstacles. One really cool thing is here, make sure you go into control, scroll down, and it'll say phone charging. Turn that on, and it'll charge your phone while you're flying. That's super awesome. The old DJI drones did not have that feature. So turn your phone charging on. That does reset itself every time you exit out of the app, so keep an eye on that. But yeah, I appreciate all y'all's support in the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you're just checking this out for whatever reason, please go into my playlists. I've got my Mavic Air 2 playlist. I've got my Sur-On X. This is an electric dirt bike, electric motorcycle that you can ride pretty much anywhere, and it is just epic. I've got some high-end downhill mountain bike suspension on it, and I'm just enjoying this channel with you guys. I'm enjoying it, and you guys are doing an awesome job watching my videos, and we're having a good time. If there's anything you want to see, please request it. If there's anything you want to see me get, let me know. I think my next purchase eventually might be the new GoPro, but man, my GoPro Hero 7 White Edition is doing great right now. And heck, I might film some more videos just like this, because I just like this layout. And like I said, it's kind of convenient. I wish I could move the gimbal left and right, but you have to actually be flying. But this is pretty convenient. Oh, another thing to cover, really cool. Make sure you go in here to camera and go into your advanced gimbal settings. Or I'm sorry, maybe it's under control. Let's see here. Yeah, go into advanced gimbal settings, and you can actually adjust your pitch speed, like your up and down. So right now we're in normal mode. So watch, I'll turn it all the way up to 100. See how fast that moves? Okay, so you can adjust that. I like to keep it at about 20, I think. Let's check it at 20. Yeah, you can adjust your pitch speed, how fast the camera goes up and down. And then you can also adjust your pitch smoothness, which is like if it slowly stops instead of just stopping real fast. And then you can control your yaw speed and yaw smoothness, which is super cool. And you can do it in that mode with normal, you can do it with tripod, and you can do it with sport mode. So that's super cool. But anyhow, I'm gonna get going. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. We could try to fly right here real quick. Let's see. So you got to go in sport mode when you're flying like this, because you're inside and you don't want obstacle avoidance on, because you're just going to have issues. It's my take on it anyhow. Unlock everything. So we're in there. Thing flies pretty good inside, honestly. A little bit scary. You don't have to worry about dusting the floors. You can turn that light on the bottom. Let's see, let me see if my light will turn on. One click allows the gimbal to go down all the way. Then you click again and it goes up. And then 2 clicks turns the spotlight on. So you can see right there, there's the auxiliary LED. Off. Thing's super bright. There it is. See if we can go say hi to our little friend over here. August. Say hi. Don't touch it. No, don't throw anything at it or touch it. That's good right there. That's as close as you want to get. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Crazy girl. Don't touch it. It'll get you. Where are you going? Anyhow, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Try out Sam Adams Jacko Pumpkin Ale. Super good. And I'll see y'all next time. CJ Moto out of here. Let's see if it'll land. Oh, I don't think it has the land function set in there. Let's do a hand catch. What are you doing up there? Peace, guys. CJ Moto out.
Hold it.
I know. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Here you go. Be careful with it. Don't drop it. You got it?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like the wings.
You do?
Yeah.
They cool?
Yeah.
All right, give it back. Thank you. See you later.
Daddy,
What?
can I have a popsicle now?
A popsicle? All right, hang on. Let me turn this off.